Hello and very welcome to a new video. Today it's about my latest VST plugin, which is called the Grid 909. Think of it less as a pattern generator and more as a living preset machine, so to say. It's packed with 160 authentic TR-909 drum patterns across 8 genres. It's designed for getting great sounding 909 patterns quickly and making it effortless to mix and match styles. Load it as a MIDI effect, route it to your favorite 909 drum plugin and just keep hitting generate until something works for you. So let me show you how it works in detail. So as I said, you have to load it like a MIDI effect here. I put it in the same channel as the ADM or as the drummer zone or as the Bitwig Drum Module Pro. So if I load it up here, let's keep with the drummer zone one. That's this one from D16, and I use it to control the D16. So I had disabled the sequencer mode, the internal one, so that the drummer zone receives MIDI notes from the Grid 909. So first thing, you have to go to settings, and this plugin is designed to feed preset-wise the Bitwig V9 Drum Pro, the Audio Realism ADM1, and also the Drummer Zone 2, D16, and the Roland TR-909, which I unfortunately cannot showcase because I don't own the plugin. And of course, you can define MIDI notes by your own, so you can feed whatever drum machine you want, which is also nice. Yeah, so at the moment, if this is triggered on, the host, in this case it's Bitwig, controls the plugin, the BPM, and also play and stop. So if I hit generate, which I've done before, you see then here that different instruments are represented in a 16 grid. So let's play it. So here at the bottom, you can choose one of 8 genres. As you can see, it's house, techno, electro, trance, breakbeat, acid house, R&B and UK Garage. And each genre comes with 160 unique pattern sets, all researched from real classic tracks and famous 909 patterns. So you can then instantly hit generate, for example, all. Let's go stick with house and generate all. And you see now the different patterns got generated here. And the great thing is that you can now, for example, you like the kick drum, but you want to exchange just the clap. You can easily do this by just generating the claps here new. So I'll do that while playing. You see it. So the rest remains the same, just the clap changed. You can also generate all or generate random. If generate random is activated, the Grid 909 chooses randomly from all patterns and all styles, which is also nice because then styles get mixed and matched each other. And if you want to avoid this, you can easily lock every instrument separately, which makes sense. And also next to a house here, you can adjust the number of bars which will be generated. So if I now hit generate all again, instead of, in this case, 16 bars, 32 bars, 64 bars will be generated because currently they are empty. And now if I hit generate all, you see they got all generated. By the way, the playhead always follows the patterns, and if one pattern is reached to the end, it will follow also here with this page number. And what happens if like 16 bars will be generated in one row, so to say. And if you like those, you can say, okay, I like this and this and this, but this one should be different. So I can go here and then generate random or whatever. And then you have a variation here. So let's play this. You see, just this pattern was changed. So let me unlock each pattern, probably go back to 1 bar. Oh, we can keep, let's say, 8 bars. And let's just generate some patterns that you can listen to the quality of the presets. What's also possible is that you can easily change by just clicking here, and then you have also added notes. Small break, for example. Let's stick with 4, generate all. It's also possible to change velocity here. Just drag and keep it pressed. You see, it changes the velocity. What's also nice, there's a global shuffle, which I think it's a very nice functionality. And this is happening in real time. So let's do that. In addition, you can keep the global shuffle as it is. Let's go for a pattern with more close hi-hats. This one, for example. If you push it through 50, it has this typical shuffle groove. Keep everything like the global shuffle at 0 and then just shuffle the hi-hats by this knob here. So everything is straight, but just the close hi-hats get shuffled, which is also, I think, very nice. You can also do snapshots if you like something, just save, and then you have a snapshot of the whole configuration. So let me show you some more genre-related patterns. Let's switch to techno. Let's see what it gives us. Generate all, play. And as it is just MIDI, of course you can change everything on the audio side of things in the plugin. So if I change the presets here, it's also funny. Or even switch to another machine. Let's switch to the ADM. So I switched everything to 909. I also disabled the internal sequencer and turned it to node. So now the 909 controls the ADM. So let's use it together with my Bitwig drum module. That's this one. So let's switch to this channel. So this is actually the V-Drum 909 Pro, which I will also provide to download. It's actually a container, contains all the Bitwig V9 drum modules and funnel it through MIDI nodes so that it will be compatible with the grid. Let's go to settings. Is it this one? Let's open it. And settings, yeah, it's already on Bitwig. So now this controls Bitwig. So let's go for more, or let's go to Electro. Ah, that's nice for shuffle. It's so very fast and intuitive how you can combine also different styles. For example, let's go to Breakbeat, then it's more obvious, and let's generate a Breakbeat. You can disable and mute and solo from here. Oder solo. And let's say you want, instead of this breakbeat kick, you want to have a straight kick, then go to house and generate a house kick. Or garage kick. Or generate random all. So let's do that. Let me just quickly show you some garage patterns. Acid house. And if you are happy with the results, you can just drag it and then you have everything in one MIDI clip, and of course change it by your taste. And this also works vice versa. If you have a drum loop, you can import this, which I think is also a very cool feature, because then you can use the grid as a drum sequencer where you can easily change quickly variation and some drum configuration. So I hope you like this plugin and find it useful. You can download it from the Kreuzberg Audio web shop. So please like and subscribe. And if you have any ideas or comments, just leave it under the video here below. I'm looking forward to every reaction and feedback. So thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.